bit of wildlife research. So as I said, we're working on some seal research with an academic institution. And this is looking at two things. It's looking at using photogrammetry to obtain detailed two-dimensional and three-dimensional measurements of seals, but also getting high-resolution imagery of individual seals to feed into an artificial intelligence system to try and automate individual recognition ID, allowing rapid population assessment processes. This is something that's been done for a number of years using shoreline photography, but they have issues with kind of heat haze and obscured views of the seals. So taking that approach to aerial imagery has been a massive step for the researchers, and now they can capture all the seals that are there, maybe 100, 150, 200 seals in one day, high resolution, clear images, and we're working on the kind of population modeling of that.